So in yesterday's session, we started with events. Okay, let us continue events one more time. But before that, I just want to explain about some more JavaScript methods. There is a method called value, and there are some other methods called parse methods like parse int, parse float kind of things. So we will see those methods also today, and we will do one simple application based on that. Small project kind of thing in JavaScript. Okay, so let me open the notes. So there is a method called value method. So what is the use of the value method? We will see before that. So what is value? Value is the method which is using for capture input data. So whenever you want to capture the input data, then value is important thing. So one simple example we will see. What is this example is? We will take one input and user enters name inside input. Name inside input. And we take two inputs. Basically, user enters name or first name. Let me go first name and last name. First name and last name inside inputs. Okay. So finally, after entering the first name and last name, what my requirement is inputs. The immediate requirement is I will click on a button. I will click on a button, get full name. Get full name. So that full name need to be displayed on top of the document as heading. This is my requirement. For this requirement, let me go. We will do one simple thing using with events and using with the value method. Let me take a new program and save it as. Okay, so this program name is something like full name dot html. First of all, I want to take two inputs, right? So this is the input. Input type text. Placeholder enter first name. Okay, and one more input I'm taking. Input type text and placeholder enter last name. Okay, so finally, what my requirement is, I'll take a form for this one. Simply, I will take a form. Okay, this is the form open tag, and this is the form closing tag. And here, let me take a break tag also. So for this form, I just want to give the center tag, center of the page. Form should be available. At the same time, for this form, I want to take h2 get full name. Okay, that is the heading basically. Fine. Form should be having some style. A width of the form is going to be 50%. Okay, 50% of the page. Okay, and form should have some border. If you want, you can specify some border. Okay, so something like 2 pixels solid blue and border radius. I want to give some 10 pixels. Fine. This is some basic style for the form. Find that. Now, what my requirement is, I want to go with the button. When I click on the button, what is the button here? Get full name. So when I click on the button, what my requirement? I just want to capture the data. Okay. Now let me write a script. Now we are entering into the script. We are entering into the functionality. When we click on the button, so click on the button means first of all access the button. Document dot get element by tag name. Elements by tag name. Name of the tag is buttons. Button of 0 dot add event listener. Listener name is click. Yesterday we did all these things. Fun one. Fun one is my function. Function fun one, and which is going to be having two values capture. Two inputs we have, right? Two inputs we have. Okay. Document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is input of 0 dot value. So whatever the value you got entered into the first input, that I need to store into the variable called f underscore name is equal to f underscore name is equal to, and last name also I need to store. Let me store the L name also, L name, and let me give the alert box. So first of all, I want to show the alert box. Alert f name plus give a space plus L name. But when this is going to be happen, this is going to be happen after clicking on the button. When you click on the button, after entering something in the text boxes, when you click on the button, first of all, capture the value from the first text box, which was stored into the f name. Capture the value from the second input, and that was stored into the L name. And finally, alert box is going to be displayed. So that's it. Let me try to execute it. Okay, we have a simple form over there, get full name, some kind of thing. So Srinivas and and click on get full name. I got Srinivas Gorilla. Okay, can you see this alert box now? Alert box we got. What alert box is? Let me show. Okay, full name is plus. Okay, full name is something. One more time, just refresh the program. One more time, refresh the program and enter something. Srinivas and get it. Get full name. When I click on get full name is something. I hope everybody got to understand how this is going to be working. So finally, my requirement is not like this. My requirement is I don't want to show the alert box. My requirement is I want to show the content on top of the H1, right? Or something. So let me take a break also. Should we look feel good? Should we look feel good? Or more break I'm taking. So the button I want to take a. Now I will take a H1 here. Full name is, and after that you can keep a span or H1 again. Okay, so H1 is empty basically. For this H1, I want to add the data. Instead of showing the alert box, okay, alert box keep no problem. And again, document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is H1. Keep the H1 over there. H1 of 0 and dot inner HTML is equal to whatever the full name. Suppose I don't have any full name here, right? So first of all, calculate the full name. Full name, where full name? You can directly give the value also, but I'm creating a variable. Full name is equal to this one. Can I keep this one? The same thing I'm just keeping here, and this one. Or you can keep a complete thing. Or you can keep a complete thing. So this one. String concatenation. This is nothing but string concatenation. So finally, inner HTML is equal to full name. Inner HTML is equal to full name. Yes, and refresh it and first name and last name and click on full name. Yeah. So you got a H1 also added. H1 which is available inside the form or not? H1 is available inside the form or not? Where is the problem? Why H1 is not actually available there? Keep it. Now try to enter it. Something is missing. Can you see and observe? There is a problem with that. Go to console. Go to okay. So it is coming, but something is missing. Maybe the problem with the alert. Or okay. Okay. Full name is that is string plus name plus L. Maybe the problem is the form basically. Later we will see this and we will resolve it in the coming class.